Hello! Welcome to the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we are going to listen to conversations about relationships. This video is divided into two parts, where the characters will talk about fixing their relationship. There will be a listening comprehension quiz at the end of each scene, so listen carefully and see if you get all of the questions correctly. Also, be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. We'll point out important words from the conversations, everyday slang, and the most common way to say things in English. Watch for these words and phrases in the subtitles. You'll find their meanings in the vocabulary section in the last part of the video. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's listen to a conversation between Quinn and Nikki. Let's see how their conversation goes, and don't forget to note the highlighted words for their meanings at the end of this video.
Nikki? What are you doing here?
Hey, Quinn. I know I wasn't invited, but I heard about the party and I just had to come.
You weren't invited for a reason, Nikki.
Yes, I know that. But I came here to talk to you.
There's nothing for us to talk about.
Look, I know we haven't talked in a while.
Oh, so you noticed, huh?
Quinn, come on.
It's like you disappeared, Nikki. I mean, we used to talk every day. You'd hit me up to get coffee, binge-watch reality shows, and vent about your boss. Then suddenly, poof, you were gone.
I know. Quinn, I'm really sorry. Ever since I got married, I've been wrapped up in a million things. New house and new routines. I'm still trying to get used to the married life. Everything changed so quickly.
I get it, Nikki. I really do. I just felt like I lost my best friend overnight. And I hated feeling like that. So yeah, I got bitter. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not checking in on you as much.
And I'm sorry for not being understanding. It was just weird not having you around all the time.
Yeah, I know. Some days I just don't have the energy to return a call or reply to a text. I didn't mean to hurt you. I was just overwhelmed.
I'm sorry, Nikki. I didn't know you felt that way. I thought you were ignoring me on purpose. I mean, I understand that you need your own space, especially now that you're married.
You know you can always come and hang out with us, right?
Yes, but I understand now that the both of you need time alone. I'm truly sorry, Nikki.
Hey, I have my faults too. I could have done a better job at reaching out to you.
I missed you, Nikki. I guess I was being kinda dramatic.
Nah, I totally understand. And I missed you too. I miss our coffee dates.
I can't believe I was so petty not inviting you to my party.
So I guess that means I'm forgiven for crashing your party then?
Only if you forgive me for not being a good friend.
Okay, I forgive you.
Then I forgive you too.
How about this? We have a girls' night once a month. Just the two of us. Yeah?
Yes, that's a great idea.
Cool. Now let's have some fun.
Here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between Quinn and Nikki. Between Quinn and Nikki, who is married? Nikki is married. Why did Nikki stop responding to Quinn? Nikki stopped responding to Quinn because after getting married, Nikki has been very busy with her new life. Were Nikki and Quinn able to make up after talking? Yes, they apologized to each other and made up. So, did you get all the questions correctly? Let us know in the comments section. Now let's listen to another conversation between Briana and Emily. Let's begin.
Emily?
Yeah? Oh, hi, Briana.
Can I sit with you?
Yeah, sure.
So I've been meaning to talk to you. For a long time, actually.
Yeah, it's been a while.
A year, I know. And I owe you an apology.
Okay.
I'm really sorry for the way I treated you. It wasn't fair and you didn't deserve that.
Yeah, it kinda sucked. I tried reaching out to your mom, but she just said to give you time, and so I did. But I didn't know it would last this long. I didn't know what I did wrong.
As for my mom, I told her not to tell you anything.
Okay. So what did I do?
You didn't do anything wrong, Emily. That's the thing. You made the cheer team and I didn't. And instead of being happy for you, I got jealous. I was hurt, and I didn't know how to deal with it, so I shut you out.
Oh, so that's why.
Yeah, I took it out on you, and I let my own insecurity ruin our friendship.
Bree, why didn't you just tell me? I would have understood.
Yeah, but I guess I was just embarrassed, you know? I mean, I had really high hopes of getting into the team, and I really thought that I would. But when I found out that I didn't get in, it was like my whole world came crashing down.
Oh, Briana. I didn't know you felt that way. When the announcement came, you didn't react. I thought you were okay about not getting on the team.
I didn't want anyone to feel bad for me. I guess not getting on the team really hurt my pride. And I'm so sorry for taking it out on you.
And I'm sorry for not realizing that you were hurting.
It's okay, Emily. I really tried to not let my emotions show, but I was really happy for you. Like, genuinely happy. I know how much it meant to you, and I didn't want you to feel bad that I didn't get it.
Oh, Briana. I'm so sorry you had to hide your feelings like that.
No, Emily. I'm the one who should be sorry. I should have been honest with you from the beginning.
Thank you for being honest now, Briana. I'm glad you finally talked to me about it.
Yeah.
Before we review the key vocabulary from these conversations, here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between Briana and Emily. Why did Briana stop talking to Emily? Briana stopped talking to Emily because she was jealous that Emily got into the cheer team and she didn't. Why didn't Briana talk to Emily right away? Briana was embarrassed because she really thought that she would get into the team. Were Briana and Emily able to make up after talking? Yes, Briana and Emily were able to make up after talking. How many questions did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comment section. Now let's review the vocabulary from these conversations. First, we'll review some of the natural-sounding everyday phrases used by native English speakers. Watch the video again after you study the vocabulary words to learn them even better, and subscribe to see our other videos. Binge watch. To watch multiple episodes of a TV show or series in one sitting. Wrapped up in a million things. Feeling overwhelmed or busy with many tasks or responsibilities. Crashing your party. Showing up uninvited to someone's event. I took it out on you. Admitting to unfairly expressing frustration or anger towards someone who wasn't the cause. My whole world came crashing down. Describes a moment of intense emotional devastation. Now, let's review the key vocabulary used in the conversations. Bitter. Feeling resentful or hurt. Overwhelmed. Feeling unable to cope due to too many emotions or tasks at once. Dramatic. Overly emotional or exaggerated in reactions or behavior. Petty. Focusing on small, unimportant things in a negative or spiteful way. Insecurity. A lack of confidence or feeling unsure about oneself or one's worth. Were the conversations relatable? Try using these conversations with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.